Hey, I'm John Hedrick with Schrader TPMS Solutions, and today we're going to talk about tire wear. So, how can TPMS extend your tire life and save you some money? TPMS is a system on your vehicle that monitors your tire pressure in each wheel and can tell you if they're too low or too high. So, let's talk about underinflated tires. Underinflated tires have more friction, they take a lot more energy to move. That's going to reduce your fuel economy, and it also gives you excess wear on the edges of the tire. Overinflated tires have less contact on the road, so you compromise your handling and comfort level, and it will increase the wear in the middle of the tire. So, this is why it's very important to make sure that you check your pressure and monitor that TPMS system to make sure they're at the right specs that the manufacturer has set so you get extended tire life and you're not replacing your tires more frequently. And that's today's tech tip on tire wear.